customer came in complaining about their check engine light being on. To figure out the issue, I connected a scan tool and found the code P0456, which means there's a very small leak in the Evaporative Emission system, or EVAP system. For those unfamiliar, the EVAP system is responsible for capturing and storing fuel vapors from the gas tank, preventing them from escaping into the atmosphere. A leak in this system, even a tiny one, can trigger the check engine light and reduce the system's efficiency. I started by visually inspecting the EVAP system, checking hoses, connections, and the gas cap for obvious faults, but everything looked fine. So I sealed the system and used a smoke machine. A smoke test is a great way to find leaks because it pushes smoke into the EVAP system, and wherever the smoke escapes, that's where the problem is. In this case, smoke was coming out of the EVAP canister itself, confirming it was faulty. The EVAP canister is a critical component that stores fuel vapors and releases them in a controlled way to the engine. When it's damaged, it can cause leaks like this. To fix the issue, I replaced the EVAP canister with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the error codes with the scan tool and performed a road test. The vehicle ran perfectly, no check engine light came back, and no fault codes returned. This repair is a great example of why it's important to properly diagnose an EVAP leak. While small leaks like this may seem minor, they can eventually lead to bigger issues if left unchecked. If you're seeing a check engine light and a code like P0456, it's worth getting it inspected sooner rather than later.